back, everybody. Still long lining on the Blood River, Kentucky Lake. Got this Cypress Creek jenko crappie rod going to work. I think he's hit that Big T's watchamacallit again. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, we're caught in another line. It's a fish though. Alright, check him out. You wanted that orange and you wanted that watchamacallit. Jenko fishing, baby. See if we can get a bigger one. What's up, everybody? Here again, long lining. Got those Big T watchamacallits by Jenko on. Got one coming in right now. See if it'll play ball with it. Don't have a net today, so we're just going to be flipping him on in like that. There we go. There we go. There's some Big T jenko watchamacallits and that chartreuse. They love that orange head. That pretty little belly on her. Alright. I'll holler back at y'all when we get another one on. What's up, everybody? We're still out here on the Kentucky Lake on the Blood River. Got us one of those jenko Big T watchamacallits. Long lining jigs. That guy decided he wanted that thing. Pretty nice little fish, pretty thick. That's the jenko Big T watchamacallit. Got that little paddle tail on there, created some action.